Okay, good morning. This is the video that you've all been waiting for. And I'm making this for my friend 390 Wagon Master, because he's going to get a bunch of these in the mail here in the coming weeks. These were featured in the What's That Noise segment. That's a transmitter, and that's a receiver. And these guys are on channel 23. And you can see there's a bunch of dip switches in there. And everything has to be exactly the same. See, that one is on, and the rest of these are off. And this one is on, and the rest of those are off. Okay, so this transmitter puts out 10 watts on channel 23. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. Can I do it with one hand? I need a push button. There we go. So, you can hear the noise on channel 23. So what happens, okay, I've got my meter here to make the noise. There's a little green light for power. This one doesn't have any power lights, but the little red light lights up whenever you transmit. The test button doesn't work, but that's okay. See how that goes on? The receiver has a green power light. And when you key up the transmitter, come on. Problem is I'm trying to hold two wires together here and they're not cooperating. Okay, so there's a single pole, single throw relay in there. Right now the wires are in the normally open position. And, like I say, I've got my fancy schmancy fluke meter connected up here. And, when I make the connection, see, it's closed. And when I let go of it, it makes up, releases the push to talk. So, now you know what these little gizmos are used for. It's the extended range linear XT1 transmitter and the matching XR1 digital receiver. Hope this helps to answer a lot of your questions, and thanks for watching.